Morning guys, in front of me is POCO C75 and let me show you how to change keyboard language. At first, open new message or any other area where you've got keypad. So this is the panel that we need to open. Now mark settings icon, select languages, click on add keyboard and just choose the one that you want to apply. So you can either scroll all the way down till you find the preferred language, or in search area smoothly provide the language that you want to use. Tap on done. And now you can either stay with two languages or you can remove unnecessary one, but let me show you at first how it works with two of them. Here you've got word icon and you can smoothly switch between languages by tapping on this icon. And then if you have one language only, okay. If you have one language only, so let me just remove unnecessary one. This icon disappears and you've got access to one keyboard. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.